Number 13, Lot S133, is a 1969 Oldsmobile Hurst Olds with a 455 cubic inch V8 with 380 horsepower, an automatic transmission, and one of 906 produced, and it sold for $55,000 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 57,992 miles. Specifications: exterior color cameo white and fire frost. Interior color is black. And model is Hurst Olds. And the highlights are one of 906 produced for 1969. 455, 380 horsepower rocket V8 engine with factory replacement block. Original automatic transmission. Hurst his and hers dual gauge shifter. Power brakes. Dual scoop hood. Ram air induction with Hurst Olds specific intake and air cleaner setup. Fiberglass rear spoiler. Wood grain dash. AM radio, and super stock 2 wheels. And this car was a nice one and a rare one, and I think one of the bargains of the auction. What probably hurt it was it had a factory replacement block, which quite a few of the muscle cars had due to drag racing. A lot of them blew up the engine, over-revved them, and blew them up, and they wound up with a replacement block. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.